Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite paint correction lights. I've been using these paint correction lights for the past 5 years and they have been absolutely the best paint correction lights that I've used. So they are adjustable, they are LED, you can actually attach them to a tripod, you can buy them in pairs, you can buy them in quads, you can daisy chain them together. You can control everything from a remote control, you can change the temperature, the intensity, and you can have several different zones of lights and turn them on and off to whatever your preferences are. Let's go over these lights. I'm gonna show you everything about them because I know that if you have them in your shop, they're gonna become your favorite lights too. If you order the light with the tripod, this is an adjustable tripod, easy to set up, has all kinds of adjustments to raise the height and lift it up. And it comes with all the hardware to be able to put your lights on. All right, so once they're set up, you can see the light here. There's 2 wires at the end. You got a male and a female plug. And to connect these 2 lights, this is included in the kit. You just connect them and you pick which one you want to do. Doesn't really matter. Female and male, connect it there. And you can connect this into here. And then you take your plug in here, open it up, unravel it, and you'll see the end here is going to plug directly into the other end. Just plug that in. And now unravel and you're ready to plug it in. So you can actually pair several lights up to one remote. So there's 4 different zones here. So right now I have these lights connected to zone 1. To unpair it, you plug it in and tap this 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll start to blink. And now it's unpaired. If you want to pair it to a different zone, simply unplug it, plug it back in, pick the zone you want it to go to, hold down the on button for 3 seconds, and it'll blink 3 times, and now you're paired to that zone. So you can have several different lights on several different zones. Next on the remote, you can actually change the temperature of the light, and you can actually change the intensity. So we can go all the way down to 2700 Kelvin, and you can see you have that nice warm yellow light, and this is great for light colored vehicles to see any of the paint defects on. And then we can go all the way up to 7000 Kelvin, and this is that really bright white light that works great on dark colored vehicles for seeing defects. And then we can change the intensity too. So if you go up and down, you can see we can go down to a very light, whoosh, but then we can go all the way up and make it really intense. The lights that we have in the bays are hardwired in, so it's actually on a switch, so I can turn them on and off. So once I turn them on, and if I want to pair it to this remote, you can see now I'm paired to this remote, but I have it on zone 4. So my stand-up lights are on zone 2, these are on zone 4, and then I can control these lights from the remote as well. To get these lights hardwired in, I did hire an electrician, gave him the lights, and he was able to drill the holes, run everything, and run it to the actual switch, which was really nice. The only thing that I wish I would have done is had the top lights and the paint correction lights on a separate outlet. Right now, they're both connected to the same outlet. One of the reasons that these are my favorite lights is they're spotlights. They direct the light into one area and it really highlights all of the defects within the paint surface. I love that I can put this light behind me and then be able to do my correction and be able to kind of move it around or adjust it. I can, if I need to, if I'm working on the lower half of the car, I can actually put this down. A lot of times I like to pull them up here and I can really kind of get in there and really look at that light and really kind of point it into any direction or whatever part of the vehicle I'm actually working on. These lights have been in the shop for about 2.5 years, and even with all the moisture conditions with people washing cars, There have been no issues whatsoever. I've had these exact same lights for 4 years in my home garage, and oftentimes those lights end up being on for several days in a row. Again, no issues whatsoever with these lights. So we actually have 8 lights on one zone here, and they're separated into the 2 sides. So we actually connected the lights, and they're about 4 feet apart, and you can do them 2 feet apart, you can do them 4 feet apart, whatever your needs are within your bays. And what's really cool is that you can actually put 4 on one side, you can put 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and have perfect lighting all around the vehicle. I want to get a little closer look at this light because there's lots of different ways you can use this. So one, you can buy it in pairs, and come up closer, you can actually see the bracket here. So this bracket actually sits on a 2x4 really, really nicely. So if you have rafters like in my garage, I just set this right on there and I screwed in there. You can put it on a tripod, you can put them underneath, or you can put them above, any way you want it. They're really versatile. These do come with a 3-year warranty. I have been using these lights for the past 5 years, and I've had absolutely no issues in the shop or my home garage. We have sold these lights to hundreds of detailers. We have an awesome community of detailers that have used these lights, so I know that if you get them too, anything that goes wrong with them, I will send out a new light. No questions asked, 3-year warranty on these bad boys. Everything comes with them too. So if you buy them individually, if you want to hardwire them, what we do recommend is either put them about 4 feet apart, and then you have these connectors. I have lots of these connectors if you want to separate them or move them farther apart. The kit comes with everything, including the plug-in, the remote, the instructions. I do have kits that come with the tripod. You can buy them in 4s, whatever you need. So we're here for you. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, or you can email us or call us at carsupplieswarehouse.com. We're here to support you. We're here to build the community. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.